Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hay Day. First, download the free app and begin your farming adventure. You'll start by planting and harvesting crops like wheat, which earns you coins and experience points. Use these to repair your farm's truck, allowing you to fulfill customer orders. As you progress, expand your farm by clearing land and constructing new buildings to produce more goods. The core of Hay Day involves a satisfying cycle of farming and production. Plant diverse crops in your fields, then harvest them when ready. Feed your animals to gather essential products such as milk, eggs, and wool. These raw materials are crucial for your production buildings, where you'll craft items like bread or cheese. Sell your finished goods through your roadside shop or complete truck and boat orders for significant rewards. As you play, you'll earn experience points, allowing you to level up and unlock exciting new crops, animals, and production buildings. Use your hard-earned coins to purchase these new structures and expand your farm's physical space. Remember to upgrade your barn and silo regularly to store more of your valuable crops and animal products. Consider joining a neighborhood to trade with friends and participate in fun derby events. Beyond the basics, Hay Day offers many advanced features. Engage in daily and weekly events to earn special rewards and bonuses that boost your progress. Visiting other players' farms allows you to help them and receive thank you letters, which can contain valuable items. Use your diamonds wisely to speed up production or acquire rare items. Finally, personalize your farm with a wide array of decorations to make it uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.